I got a video. I'll show you guys. What the? What is that?
The guy almost hit me.
Wow.
I was like, who's creeping up mad fast like that?
Who is that?
The cops. You hear? And he was right.
Oh!
Yo, the second accident
I got it on
today.
Dashcam.
What happened?
I got it on
Oh,
Dash.
he
Oh, he's out!
Oh my god! And then Bobby said that got left there.
Yo.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Can you pull up? I want to
Are you
know.
serious? You want me to pull up?
Did it
on
catch?
this?
Did it catch? I just want to see if the cat, if they caught him. Or if he was like out.
A mental health crisis response unit should be operating citywide by year's end. A recruitment drive is underway. 211 service aiming to take some of the burden off 911. The Leafs and Sabres clash at Scotiabank Arena. A number of trades are coming in ahead of Friday's deadline. And it's Canada, USA in the Women's Gold Cup semis, 4-15. The midweek session.
I think I'm at 50. Oh. That's good. I bet you're not. I bet you think it's 50.
Oh. Ah!
I've been on the typing team for a while.
Oh, hit run.
You want to type your team or type drivers?
No.
Oh, caught that on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, who dropped this?
Yeah. Free bike?
Wow.
Well, cop, what are you doing?
No, we're gonna wait here.
Yeah.
Well, might as well find another way to McAllister's.
carpooling. Yeah, we got two people ở trước và nói con cái chẳng exact same thing. Có cảnh sát đứng đó. Ooh. No, we need to get the cop. This is my work truck. I cannot do it. We need to call the police and get a report. Yes, come on out, you know.
This is JTC Bless Import.
Sounds great.
At 9220 Skillman received a failing score of 67.
What? Huh?
Came back.
I can't hear you.
Juice that up to a nice fat 87. Fat 87.
Okay.
You had 14 restaurants that scored between 70 and 70. Tres salsas. Michoacana Taqueria. FSK Food Mart. Michoacana Taqueria. FSK Food Mart. Hong Kong Che. Murcott Restaurant. Murcott Restaurant.
Whoa.
Cash Saver Produce.
I hope this delivery for your
that's
bitch
on
ass.
Harwood. Yes, that's like fine dining, and I've been there a lot. Yep, Murcott. There's some of you that you would be like, whoa. Dallas Diner Donut Skin over on Northwest Highway. They got a 76.
It's because they're cushion tasting donuts.
I see this place all the time in my neighborhood, and I didn't even know it was open.
I don't
It's
care, dude.
down, but a place called Rice Express.
I don't fucking care.
On Samuel Boulevard. A place called Wings World over on MLK.
Wings World?
Mm-hmm.
You see this fucking guy?
Catering by Chef Richard on Botham Jean. The Grandies, which is by my house, no surprises there. Another Lo Flablonita that we said, Thai Express. Campisi's Pizza on Campbell Road.
it's pop smoke and takeoff. Oh my god. Congratulations, you got one car ahead.